Hi, it's Laurelle and I'm here at Derry's Orchard and Nursery, and we are here to talk about the workhorses of Derry's Orchard. So one of the pollinators that helps bring the pollen from one flower onto the flower of another apple tree is the mason bee or blue orchard bee. And if you come and take a look, the blue orchard bee is a solitary bee or mason bee, and you can tell why she's called the mason bee because when she goes to lay her eggs, she muds the cocoons up. In between each cell, each cocoon or each egg is a bit of mud that she has collected from the soil. These bees often will fly earlier and in more inclement weather. So when the apples are blooming and it's a little bit colder or a little bit rainier, the mason bee is doing a lot more of the work. We also have honeybees, bumblebees, and other varieties. There are over 500 different species of bees in BC. You can learn more about these bees by looking them up on the David Suzuki Foundation website, or even the Bee School website. They have some fantastic activities and things that you can do to help keep these bee populations healthy. If you want to come and take a look, I'll show you some empty cocoons. Here are some empty cocoons. What Derry does is, once her bee houses have been all mudded up after blossom time, she removes the bee houses to keep them safe from parasitic wasps. And she will often remove each one of those cells and wash the cocoons as well to make sure that they are free from mites. And the cool thing about these bee cocoons is they're waterproof. So you actually can wash them to help remove any mites that might harm those bees.